Power quality compensation strategy of MMC to UPQC based on passive sliding mode control.
Abstract.
In this project, a passivity-based control combined with sliding mode control is proposed for MMC to UPQC to improve the power quality under the unbalance of grid voltage in power systems. Here is our website, which you can find the EE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, the back-to-back connection method is used between series side MMC and shunt side MMC due to its stable structure. Meanwhile, the DC link is composed of a large capacitance, which can provide enough energy to MMC to UPQC. In general, the two MMC converters on series and shunt sides are close to the grid side and the load side, respectively. The MMC on the series side is connected to the grid system through transformer T, capacitors, and inductors, which is used to compensate the voltage. This project was implemented and tested by using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.